is time for the package from China monthly giveaway. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video it's my favorite time of the month because it's time for the package from China giveaway. And for the people who are new to the channel, first of all, welcome. So a little recap for the people who are new to the channel. So what is this giveaway all about? I just want to do something back to the community. For the full video I'm going to leave a link in the description, so check it out. But alright. We are going to give away 5 items to 5 people. I'm going to pick random people, and when I've chosen the people who are active in the community, leaving comments, I always check how active are these people and for how long, because I think that is very important, so keep that one in mind. Alright, for the first one, the first person who won something pretty damn awesome. The first one is Andrew Whitfield. You are the first one who's going to get a package from China. The second one is Beautiful by Me. Yeah, that was Beautiful by Me, and there was something after that, but so I don't know how to pronounce it. So nevertheless, Beautiful by Me is the second person who won a little package from China. The third one, Colin Amos, you are the third person who wins a package from China. Who's going to win? Who is it? Who is it? It's Dalton Vieira. You are the first person that wins a package from China from me. And for the fifth, the last one who wins this month a package from China. It's Regan Doe. So people, that concludes this video, this giveaway. 5 people, I hope you are going to like your little gift from me. It's more like a small gesture for saying thank you. Thank you for being active and supporting the channel. The Wicked Gamer and Collector. So that concludes this video. Next month, there's going to be a new package from China giveaway. So again, stay tuned, stay wicked, stay positive, and just be active and leave comments. See you next time. And if you are into gaming, check out the gaming channel.